Hello everyone, video today about a 111mm Victorinox, the Outrider. So a very good model. I really like this one. I would even say that's one of my favorites in this range. So the thickness 22mm. It weighs 156 grams. It has 14 functions, and item number is 0.8513. So before talking about the tools, I'd like to say something. I bought this one on Amazon because it was a really good price, half the price of Victorinox, for example, and it was only for the red, with the red scales. But I checked the comments, and I saw that there were a lot of comments saying that they received the knife with the brand Bosch at the back, which was not specified. So I bought it anyway because I'm planning to replace the scales with black scales. So I didn't really care about it, but I wanted to say be careful about Amazon, because sometimes you can have surprises, I would say, like this one. It's not the end of the world, of course. The knife is really good, but you have this at the back, which you may not want on your Victorinox. Let's see the tools. So we have the large blade, of course, 111mm knife, as usual. As usual as well, the cap lifter, bottle opener with the large flathead screwdriver. This one is much bigger compared to 91mm Victorinox. And here we have the can opener with the flathead screwdriver, which is exactly the same size as 91mm to compare. Then we have scissors, which are exactly the same as the 91, but as we have a bigger knife here, we also have this little screwdriver, Phillips. The inconvenient here is that you have, of course, to check out the scissors if you want to use this one. Do that and replace the scissors, and you can use the Phillips. And again, if you want to put it back, take out the scissors, put it back, and replace the scissors back. So that's a bit that's the inconvenient here. And of course the wood saw. So you have a big one here, but it's around 9 centimeters, I think, for the length. So a really good wood saw at the back. The corkscrew, nothing special about it. And the reamer hole. We don't have, of course, the hook, because it doesn't exist on 111. And so this is very similar to the Huntsman, compared with 91mm knife, Victorinox knife. It has the same tools, I would say, except we don't have the small blade, and we have the Phillips here under the scissors, and we don't have the hook, as I said, it doesn't exist on this range. Of course, we have the key ring, the tweezers here, and the toothpick. And we don't have the pen placed in the scales like 91mm Victorinox. It doesn't exist as well on this range. For the price here in Europe, it's 63 euros, Victorinox price. But you have a very good, of course, knife. Nothing to say about that. Except this one has the brand at the back. But as I said, I'm planning to replace the scales with black ones. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, this is one of my favorites for this range, 111mm Victorinox. If you have any comments, in the comment section below. As usual, feel free to subscribe, of course, and see you for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you take